If I was completing a bag for myself, the first thing I would do is add my name. So I'm going to go to the label. I'm going to type my name. And I'm going to drag it over here, turn it a little bit, make it a little smaller. And there you go. Now I can insert a picture here. So I'm going to go to the camera, and I have some pictures that are already uploaded, but they're my Bitmojis, but that's okay. I like my Bitmojis. So I think I'm going to pick this one. And it's going to go right here. I'm going to put it right there. So now I have the front of my bag completed. Then I'm going to go to the next page. I'm going to choose a picture of, let me think. Something I might help other people do. So something that I help, let's see if I can find something, is, I don't have anything here. So I'm going to go to Google Images, and I'm going to put in walk the dog. Oh, let's see. I think I like, I am going to go with this picture here. So when I do it, I am going to save the image as. I'm going to put it into my pictures. And now I can go back to Seesaw. And when I go back to Seesaw, I'm going to go back to the camera. Oh, I don't know what happened there. Go back to the camera. I'm going to upload. I'm going to go to my pictures. And when I look, there it is. So I'm going to put my picture here. And over here, this item is special to me because. So I should write in a complete sentence. This item is special to me because I take my dog for a walk 2 times a day. This is important. So he gets exercise, and so do I. So I'm going to put it over here, move it over there, pull it out a little bit. Notice I wrote in complete sentences, and then I would go to the next page and keep going. All right, folks, have fun with this. I'm excited to see what you come up with.